Hello friends, welcome again to our channel today. Today we are going to draw books. Are you ready to draw books today?
What is books?
A book.
A book?
Yeah, a book. Then books is when you have more than one book. Is books. Books that you read in the school. Okay, so let's draw a book when the book is standing. When the book is standing like this, just draw a curve like this. Like a C.
This one.
Yeah,
only one.
Then from this point, make it to go straight out.
It's like a taco.
Yeah, just draw it straight. Okay, and this one also draw it straight to come to the same line. The same line, they should end at the same point, the same plate. Don't close it up. Then from this back, draw it down.
Gonna close it.
Draw it down like this.
No, I never.
You didn't start from here, but it's fine. It's okay. Just leave it like that. Then from here, from this point, let's draw it and also come back to the same line. They should be on the same line. Stop here.
Everywhere has to be on the same line.
Yeah, they need to be on the same line. Okay, then this one, you can join this one to here. Awesome. Okay, then because books have a lot of leaves, I'm going to draw small lines like this. But first make a curve like this. First make a curve like as if you are closing up this book. Make a curve at that point. Okay, so each of the lines you bring it to that point. That's the leaves, the number of leaves the book has. Okay, just move them. Okay, yeah, awesome. Awesome.
I don't want to draw more.
That's fine. It's okay. So in front of this book, we can just put something like an image. Make an image like this.
That looks like a place you put your thing you want to post.
Yeah, put an image, and we can write something. But since we don't know what to write, we can just make a wavy sign like this to show the writing. Yeah, awesome. Okay, it's okay. So let's draw another book that is opened. Okay. For you to draw a book that is open, I would say we want to draw at least 2 books. So from here, draw a straight line like this. Slant it. See how that one is slanted? Awesome. And also from here, come here a bit.
It looks like a house.
And slant this one out a bit also.
It's not a house.
Okay, then you have a middle.
Not a house.
At the middle of the line, you just draw a straight line to come out like this. Draw it down, straight down. Draw it straight down. Awesome.
It looks like a ballerina skirt.
So from here, are you seeing what I'm doing? Make a curve like this, and then join here.
It looks
Raise
like
it
a boo-boo.
And this one also, make it to come up, and then you join here. Double single, so it's okay, it's fine. Then this one,
ballerina dress.
Make it to curve, and then you join here as well. Just one curve. Then this one as well, you curve it up, then you join it to this end.
I'm a little worried.
Awesome. Okay, so this is a book. What we want to do?
A flying bird.
Yes, what we're going to do, draw a straight line to come from here and go to these points.
Like somebody's opening a book.
You should pass through here. Are you seeing it? Yeah, it's like an open book. So here you continue with this curve. Just go like this. The book is open. This is the number of leaves the book has. Just continue to make a curve like this. Curving it and be joining it like that. That's all. We make more. You can see that the one is more. Make lots of it. Make lots of it there. Yeah, make more. And take them all to the end. Let them get to this point.
This point?
Yeah, take all of them to that point. No, when I say to the point, I mean you can take them to come here. They should be at this edge, one of them. Bring them. Okay, here to make this place, fill up this place with lines. Yeah. Okay, that's awesome. So this is a book. See, the book is open. So let's draw like an image. This is an image. draw like a square to show an image. Are you done there? Then you draw another one on this other side of the paper. Okay, then here you can make zigzag line to show something that was written there. Okay.
We don't have zigzag line in our at my school.
Yeah,
we have letters.
Yeah, letters. This zigzag line I'm putting here is representing the letters that is written. But because we don't know the letters, just make it like that. Let's see, it's like a book, open book. Wow, this is awesome. So let's color it. Let's give the book a color. So which color do we give this one first?
Blue.
Blue color?
Here.
Okay, so let's color the outside. Let's color here blue.
I'm coloring inside.
Oh, you're coloring the inside. It's okay, go ahead. I can give my inside a different color then.
And I missed it. See? But it's still okay.
It's okay, yeah.
It's okay to color different places.
It means you have to use another color to color the outside.
Yes, I do. Can't color the outside the color I use.
Okay. So which color are you using then to color the outside?
I think this color is the best.
Oh, you want to use the brown also? You want to use the brown?
I'm gonna do this line. I will not color in the zigzags.
No color everywhere.
But on this line and it up.
Okay. You're outlining it. That's awesome.
Yeah, if you don't line it, the colors will go out.
Oh, that's true. Okay. Do you like drawing?
Yes, and the coloring.
And coloring as well.
Yes,
Awesome.
and color a nose. Funny.
So funny. Funny girl.
Funny me.
Funny girl. Okay. But do you like blue color? Don't like blue. Do you like brown color? No?
Pink, purple, and yellow.
Are your favorite colors?
Yes.
Okay.
I am not done with my own.
Okay. I'm using yellow to color my inside here.
Okay, let's best have this one. Yellow and blue makes green.
Yeah, yellow and blue makes green. Yeah.
Daddy, one day we can use primary colors to make green.
Yeah, I use primary colors to make secondary colors.
Yeah, that's what I saw on the TV before.
Okay. It's awesome.
After a while done with the video, maybe I'll watch it. I'll find out where is it and I will watch it.
So I'm using pink here.
Hey, I thought we're not going to use pink anymore.
Just to color the inside here, the image here. And I'm using purple to color the inside of this one.
But I thought it only said pink.
I colored one pink and one purple.
Pink and purple?
Yeah, there are different images. Then I'm using red to color this one as well.
But I can use a different color. I did not use purple yet. I only use red and yellow and pink. And I did not use yellow.
I use orange to color this.
I can have the different ones.
Yeah, just use any color that you so much want to use.
I like all this color. Red is my favorite. Pink is my favorite. Yellow is my favorite. And
So let's use yellow and color the...
but I already use yellow.
Oh, okay, you can use any other color for yours. I want to color the book.
I'm gonna use. We already used blue.
We use blue. Use another color. Which color do you want? Can you use orange?
We did not use. I did not use green for anything.
Yeah, you can use green.
I can use different greens.
Yeah, I can use that.
I can use any greens I want. And there's two places I can put two kind of colors. That.
Okay. Do you like green color?
Oh, I thought. Yes, I thought today was school. Back this video. Today we're doing video.
Yes, we're doing video today. Almost done. Summer is done.
I'm not done.
Almost done.
I still have this place. It's big.
Summer is almost done. Wow. It's good to. Do you like to read book? Especially storybooks. Do you like storybooks?
I like princess books.
Princess books.
Yes.
Story about princesses.
Yes.
Wow. So
All the princesses are my favorite. Because girls like buttons than boys. Boys like cars.
oh, boys like cars. Cars, are they not good things? Are they not also better things?
Yeah. Cars are better than
Okay.
that.
So somebody done paint coloring.
Hey, what about here?
Color
And
it then. Yeah, you've not colored your green as well.
We have to color it green like this color.
Yeah, color it green. You can
Aw.
also give this book, this one,
I'll
green.
color it a
When you
different
color it green, you color here green as well.
color a different color. I can use any color I want.
Okay, if you want to use a different color, that's fine.
I'm gonna use
Okay,
yellow
so
like
that's
that.
fine. Yeah, you can use yellow. It's okay. Yeah, that's a book. Awesome. Wow, high five, Summer. Good. This book is looking so nice. Summer's book and Daddy's own book. Friends, I hope you're able to draw along with us and also paint your own book at home. Yeah. Thank you, friends. And
This one.
yeah. And Summer, what do you say to your friends that are watching you?
Subscribe to the channel, and if you do not subscribe now, and see you next time, and bye bye.
All right, friends, please do subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.